Well, that's what they want you to do.
This right here?
Mm-hmm. Hold on, stop, because she don't know she's supposed to go. Hey, y'all. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are taking my oldest daughter driving. We got the Malibu out here today. I'm trying to relax and not be so nervous. But let's just go. Let's just go. Lisa, are you ready? Are you sure? Okay. You got your arm up. You must be sure. Is your seat and your pedal adjusted the way you want it to be? You sure? You comfortable? The back of your chair is comfortable? Your mirrors? You know, you can put air in the back of that seat too, if you want to.
Oh, that's what that is, air?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
For what?
I guess for better posture. Yeah. You know your turn signal. Which one is the turn signal? Go ahead, test it out. Make sure it's working. You want to go to the left, you go down. Go to the right, you go up. Do you know how to work the windshield wipers?
Is it this?
Mm-mm.
What is?
Hold on. This is the windshield wiper right here. Hold up. You go up and down. But this is the speed. See these little notches?
Mm-hmm.
Like if you want it, depends on how fast you want it to go. I guess. I don't know, child, because it surely ain't. Anyway, so you ready?
Yeah.
All right, you ready? Let's go. Let's rock and roll. You keep your foot on the brake at all times. I mean, you know, before you pull off. You understand? So you about to put it in gear? Mm-hmm. Okay, are you looking? Mm-hmm. Good. You ain't put your signal on, Lisa. Which direction you going? You're staying closer to the curb. Not on the curb, but you know. Now you're going to get ready to put your brake. You know why? And because you're about to turn. To signal. You got the green light, so you don't have to see if anybody coming that way. Make this right. To the right, yeah. At least you got to stay in your lane now. You don't have to go fast. You can go your steady pace.
The turn right here?
Mm-hmm. It's coming up, so your signal should be going on, and you should be getting ready to get on the brake because you don't know if somebody's coming. I mean, you know, once you get up there. Those white lines is where you stop. Stop. We gotta make sure the traffic is clear. And you can ease up a little bit just so you can see. You know, let off the brake a little bit. Not the gas, just the brake, yeah. And then get back on the brake so you can stop. Stop. Is anybody coming?
Wait, man.
Yeah, you wait till he go then. Okay. Go ahead. In this lane. Stay in this lane. I told you they're going to beep the horns. Let them beep the horns, but you just stay, you know, just focus on what you're doing. Don't even worry about people beeping horns. They're going to beep horns because you're a new driver. You're not driving as fast as they do. But slow down a little bit. You get ready to make a turn. So now we're going to focus on turns. Lisa's going to do left turns. We have not done left turns since we...
You hold your hands right here.
10 and 2.
Why
Yep.
does this feel so uncomfortable?
Well, that's what they want you to do.
This right here?
Mm-hmm. 10 and 2. When you get comfortable, then you can put your hands at the bottom. Right now, you got to be at 10 and 2. Do you see anybody?
Mm-hmm.
Okay. And look, there's people out now. All of a sudden, as soon as you get in the chair, everybody's waking up, coming out. You see anybody?
Mm-hmm.
All right, now. You clearing that curb?
Yeah.
All right now. You gotta stop at the stop sign. Okay. Let's proceed. Come on. We're gonna stop at the stop sign. This is one lane. It's not two lanes.
Oh.
Yeah. All right, we're gonna get down to that stop sign and stop. And watch the little red car. I don't know why she's staying right there, but slow down, because we want to do this slowly. All right, they got a stop sign, so even if somebody was coming, they would have to stop. Slowly go past her. Slowly. You can tap your horn just so she know you coming. Okay, never mind, forget it. Go ahead. Slowly.
Is this one lane still?
No, two lanes. See how cars are parked this way too? Yeah. Watch this trash can. Slow down. Slow down, Lisa. It's not a race now. It's the whole neighborhood. Can you see behind you? You see in front of you? All right, come on. Watch them tires. Slow down. Slow down. Gotta pay attention to everything. Come on, it's a stop sign coming up. See, he's an Amazon worker, so he may come out. You gotta watch everything. And that's the stop sign where he is. He's blocking it. Hold on. Stop. Stop. Okay. Let's go to the stop sign and stop. I don't know where all these people coming from, but oh well, that's the reality. Stop. Now they got there first. Remember we discussed? Now you go. To the left. Make a left. Your signal should have been on. Come on now. Stay in your lane. I mean, stay here. People come through this way, so you gotta look for everybody. Stop sign. It's coming up. Thank you, Holy Spirit. Say thank you, Holy Spirit. Okay, stop right here. Rock and roll. Do you see anybody? You can ease up so you can see past them bushes. See them bushes? Anybody coming? Go ahead. And stop at the next stop sign. Come on, you gotta get up here and stop. Because you can't see back here. Stop. Rock and roll. Anybody coming? Nobody coming?
Nope.
Okay, go ahead. You should know how to do this now. Signal and stop. Slow. Because they can open their door. Slow. Keep on. Just be careful because they could be driving fast around this corner. So stay closer to the curb as you can. Okay? Watch these trash cans. You don't want to hit nobody's car when you don't want to hit your own car. Trying to just drive. Watch them fat tires sticking out from that truck. Slow down, because it's a sharp turn. Slow down. Slow down. Okay. Go ahead. Up to the Amazon. Well, I mean, no, up to the stop sign. But this is reality. People are going to be out and about. You got to be able to drive with people on the road. Yeah, let them go since they anxious. You go after this red car. Go ahead. Hold on, stop. Because she don't know she's supposed to. Go ahead, Lisa. Make this left. Left. Slow down. It's not a race. See, some people be anxious at them four-way stop signs. Go ahead. Make sure ain't no pedestrians walking past this walkway slowly. Okay? That's a walkway we just rode over. Okay. Ease up so you can see past that bush. Can you see past the bush? No, rock your body. Anybody coming? No? No. Go ahead. And what you about to do? Gotta communicate with them signals. And then we scan this intersection. Anybody coming? Nobody coming? Okay, proceed. So overall, she did a good job. I came home, made dinner, but she wanted to go out the next day, so I can tell she's definitely confident in her driving ability. So I'm going to keep working with her, Lord willing. But thank y'all for watching. Take care. Y'all.